interacting with your images like this and this using AI. So let's go. The first tool that we are using to animate our image is LayerPix AI. So go to your search engine and in the search bar enter convert.layerpix.com. I will link all these tools in the description down below, so you can go to the description and click on the link. So after that you will come to this website and here you have to sign up. So let's enter sign in with Layer. Here you can enter your email, your password, or you can sign up with your Google account. So I'm going to sign in with Google. So here I am selecting my Google account. And now again we will come to this dashboard. So now here in the left side you can see this upload tab. So let's upload our image. Here you have to select your image. And now you can see my image is already animated, but here I can do all the customizations that I want. I can change the animation length. This is what it looks like if I put it into 1 second. And if I put it into 6 seconds, slow motion animation. So next you can change the animation style. So here horizontal. So let's put it in the 1 second so we can see the difference. This is white circle, circle, vertical. Just like that you can easily do customizations. Amount of motion, if you put it in more, then you can see the difference. If we put it in less, then a small animation. You can change the focus point, you can change the edge dilation. So if you go to this depth map, so here you can draw the depth map with the brush, or you can use the sliders to set up the brush. So here you can change the depth, you can change the size, you can change the hardness, you can change the opacity, transparent, and there are a few things that you can do in this depth map tab. So after doing all the customizations, now you can go to this share icon here. And now they will create your animation, and now from here you can download your animated image as a GIF, MP4 video, LIF, SBS, depth map or Facebook 3D. So there are a lot of options here. So just like that you can easily animate your image. If you want to create something simple like animate one of your friends' image and create a sticker or create a meme, then I think considering the fact that this is free, LayerPix is a good option for you. Now if you want to do something more advanced, then this tool can be the best option for you. Go to your search engine and enter MyHeritage.com and then you will come to this website. Here let's go to try it now. So now you will come to this website. Here let's go to photos and here animate photos. And here now let's upload our photo. Let's upload the same photo that we have used in the previous tool. So now here you have to sign up. So I'm going to sign up with Google. You have to sign up with Facebook, or you can enter your email address and sign up like that. So I'm going to start with Google, agree and continue, and I'm choosing my Google account. And here you have to enter your birthday. And now they are doing the magic. They are animating our photo. So look at how the magic happens. It's so cool. So look at the animation that they have given us. It is super cool and it is so realistic. So you can use these kind of animated images in video editing, graphic designing, in creating memes, and it is super cool. So after animating it, you can easily go to this download video icon here and you can download it to your laptop or your computer, and either you can share video in Facebook, Twitter or any other platforms that mentioned here. So super cool, right? So now let's go to the third tool. So the third tool is Cutout Pro. Go to your search engine and in the search bar enter Cutout.pro. Then you will come to this website. Here you have to sign up using your Gmail account. I have already signed up, so I'm not going to do that step. That is a really easy step. So here, this software is an AI-powered visual design platform. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see all the things that you can do using this software. You can remove unwanted objects from videos, you can remove background from videos, you can remove background from photos, and you can do face cutouts. And there are a lot of AI tools in this website. So let's see all those tools. There is an AI art generator, there is a background diffusion, and there are more AI, photo enhancer, AI video enhancer, photo animator. This is the tool that we are using. So there is a photo colorizer, cartoon selfie, passport photo maker, blur background, screen and webcam recorder, and free image search engine. So we are using photo animator, so let's go to that one. Here let's upload our image. Let's use the same image that we have used in the previous tools. And now they are generating our result. So just like that, you can easily animate your image using this tool. This is not an advanced tool as MyHeritage. After animating this video, you can download this for free, but in the free option, there will be a watermark like this as you can see in here. If you want to download in HD quality as an MP4 file or zip file, then you have to get their pro pricing plans. So if you check their pricing plans, you can see in the free account, you will get 5 free credits. There is a subscription plans based on credits. So there are 2 options and there are a lot of credit plans here. So based on your requirements and your needs and your budget, you can choose the best option for you here. So if you're creating memes, creating stickers, doing these visual graphic thing and graphic design things, I hope these tools will be good options for you if you want to convert your images into videos. So if you think this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.